people who have completed these occupations for the award of a certificate of the Directorate of Industrial Training.
Aba bakugukire omukubazira okanika okolesa kompyuta okubija okutera ebishani saruni ebyo kuteeka ebyo kweshongora art and design n'ebindi bingi.
Nanke nkoko urukutunga enkoko mutunzi w'enkoko okwatanisa nokuzara urutoke rundi rw'amahe na stability amahe garagamuki okwatanisa na stability kureta okushoma rero hati mutandika kuteekateeka hakyakana entasi economy,
because chairman has shown us the way.
Chairman atwerekera umuhanda,
chairman has given us the targets,
chairman atwerekera ebitwebemereye kushikira gukora.
Certificates ezabahebwa zahamibwe aba ministry y'ebyobwegese abajeshira ku rugo muri IT nibo babaroho okuzibakwasa ombutongore.
Must handle them very well. There are so many levels. These certificates, you can take them to different institutions and they give you jobs. And when you join and combine yourselves in consortiums, it will also be very easy for you to access government programs and funding.
Nabaketa rwangisiriza mutareba ngwama bagarwangisiriza kwoma amatajyo umwe kugira ibikora bikaragara ngo rwangisirize mizefire nga
okushomesa oku kwebembirwemu mukuru w'ihanga owarabire Presidential Advisory Committee on Exports and Industrial Development ekibinji barukumanya Capasaid. Omukoro gwahwa barukubatuma okugenda okutandika emirimo bahwere n'abandi abatine babegise nabo betandikireho emirimo.
Ukama mutandikira hansi kurugo mu primary omweje naja kushoma arukumanya cyayorekerire.
Awa TV West ni Senyomo Gideon aho Mrimbar.